Hey everybody, did you know that you can make money, cash back money, from credit cards without the cash back section? Stay tuned, got you covered. Hey everybody, it is your buddy Dion Sylvester once again. And today I am going to show you how you can earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars from credit cards. And no, it's not by finding a card with the highest cash back or even trying to hack the companies with complicated churning hacks. I actually want to show you a method that can help you earn big, even if you don't collect a single dollar from their cashback program. In fact, this is one of the oldest methods to make money online, and it still works today. And if you always wanted to make money online but are nervous about selling stuff, then this is the method for you. But before that, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to this channel. My goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. And whenever somebody asks me what's my favorite way to make money online, I always tell them it's affiliate marketing. Why? Because with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products. You don't need to create your own services or courses. You just simply promote somebody else's program that's complete, and you can collect commission every time somebody makes a sale. It's the best method that I know to make money online, no matter what your experience level is. That's why I created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever a new strategy is dropped. In fact, I'm gonna be giving a very lucky person a free 3-day, 2-night vacation for simply qualifying for the contest. And to enter this drawing, you gotta qualify by liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell so you know when the drawing will be, and you can watch it live so we keep it fair. All right, so let's get into it. Now, we're going to partner with credit card companies. Most people would tell you that the only way to make money with credit cards is through cash back. So they start off hunting the best reward programs like 1% or 2%, which isn't going to change anybody's life because you got to continue purchasing stuff to get cash back. Instead, we're going to use a sneaky backdoor hack called the Refer a Friend program, where these companies will pay you to promote their card. It's completely legal and it's designed by these companies themselves to help get the word out. All you got to do is Google your favorite credit card and put the words referral program after it, so you'll see a ton of results. A few that I looked at: Chase Freedom Card, $100 for each card; American Express Blue, $100 for each card; Discover Cards, $50 for you and $50 for the person who signed up. All you got to do is become a referral partner. Grab your link and you're ready to go. Now, now that you got your card, we're going to build an affiliate funnel. Now, me, I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows us to build these affiliate funnels, really. But you can use any landing page or website that you like. But here's a quick breakdown of how the affiliate funnel works. Now, typically, there's only two parts. First, there's a landing page where you invite somebody to give you their email address in exchange for a free gift. You see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important a little bit later. But for now, just know that this page is designed to build your email list. Now, the way we get them is to give them an email address, to give our email, we give them something in exchange for their email address. Now, since we promote credit cards, you can simply offer a list of your favorite credit cards to them. The headline could be something like the best cashback cards for this year with no annual fees. The more specific you are, the more people are likely to give you their email. Now, just list those cards on your thank you page using your affiliate link. And if somebody clicks on that link to sign up, you get a bonus for doing it. And the best part, you don't have to sell anything because most cards are free to sign up. So now that we got our offer, we got an affiliate funnel built, it's time to move to the third step: promote additional offers through email marketing. Now, promoting credit cards is a great way to make some extra cash, but if you're really looking for a way to turn this into a full-time income stream and make some serious money online, the way to do that is to continue promoting offers and products to your list. These additional offers can be trainings or courses that help them improve their credit, or better yet, programs to help them earn a lot more money than just simple cashback programs. I got those for you. The beauty of this strategy is once you own your list, you'll be able to send out additional content and promotions without having to acquire new customers each and every time. Now, I ain't gonna play with you. To truly be successful with this method, you're gonna need a full-fledged funnel built out. You're going to need an email autoresponder and great email copy to help sell your offers. You're going to need additional offers that are high converting and already proven to work, not to mention strategies on getting traffic through paid ads or organic. You certainly can build all of this yourself, using that credit card strategy that I talked about in today's video, or you can do what I do. You can partner with somebody who already did it. See, me, I partnered with an 8-figure entrepreneur who allowed me to plug myself into his $50 million digital empire using his funnel, his emails, his ads, and his favorite offers. This way, I got an incredible head start when I'm trying to build out my business for myself. The best part, you can literally get started in this with just a few dollars. You don't believe me? Check out the link in my description and see for yourself. But hey, don't forget Entrepreneur's Vacation, that giveaway. To qualify for that 3-day, 2-night vacation, you got to do a few things. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on this video so that you will know when we do that drawing for the vacation, and you'll be notified when I release my next training. Until then, this has been Deon Sylvester saying, take your life back 1 minute at a time. See you guys next video.